Mix eggshells with soap and earn lots of money. The result is surprising, a soap more complete than those sold in the markets. First we will use a soap. We will also use a grater that will facilitate the preparation of this tip. Even the pots that had stains, I removed without much effort and without help of steel sponge. Once it's at this point, we'll put it in a container. Ideal is also to add only the shells of 4 eggs, and also a liter of water. We will then mix very well. If you prefer, you can even use a blender. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Rita Gordon from the UK. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once it is at this point, we will also add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar will help give more shine to the aluminum pieces and also not to harm the skin during use. The eggshells we use makes our soap more abrasive, which facilitates cleaning and removes the effort I would have rubbing the pots, and is great for removing fat. After I started using this homemade soap, my dishes shine much brighter and are much easier to clean. After beating well, I will take our mixture to a mold form, where I will leave to stand for 4 hours, until the mixture hardens. Surely you will thank me after using this tip. Your dishes will no longer be the same. You will have much easier when taking the fat from the pots and cutlery. Remembering that you can even make money from selling this soap. Once our soap is firm, we can use it. It is easy to notice the cleaning without much effort. I can take even these stains from this pan. You will be surprised with the ease at the time of cleaning using this soap. This amount we made yields use for at least a month. Increase this amount and can also sell this soap to your neighbors and family. Will surely thank you. I hope you enjoyed our tip today. For sure will facilitate too much in your day-to-day. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in our next video. Bye.